another video. Today we're gonna do the hot Cheetos mukbang. Well, let's get to the video. Supposed to pop first.
I'm sorry. But I was hungry.
You're fat. Why I was trying to fill it all. Alright, we're gonna tell y'all the story about, what story should we tell them?
First time eating a hot puff chicken.
Boy, this is our first time eating the chicken.
Best time ever.
Boy. Bro, we about to tell y'all how I got scammed on OfferUp.
Oh, yeah.
So, it was this guy. He was selling this 8 Plus, and it had said negotiable on it. So I'm like, alright.
He could still be scamming people like right
now. So I'm like, alright. I'm about to get this 8 Plus. I'm about to ask him like, I got an Xbox for some cash. I'm about to be like, okay, do you wanna do a trade? Like, we could trade you just Xbox One and a Louis backpack for your 8 Plus. And he was like, yeah. I'm like, alright, bet. You know what I'm saying? Xbox One plus some cash. Damn, dropping food everywhere. So I'm like, is 50 alright? He's gonna say, yeah. I'm like, alright. I get home. Well, while we at school, I told my kids, I'm like, I need you to put 50 on my card. Well, on this Amazon card. And take pictures of it, send it to me. So, I take pictures of the Amazon card. But I scratch everything off, like just to show them that I have the card. I scratched the numbers off. I scratched the the black lines off the scanner code. I scratched everything off. And somehow they still managed to like get it. But like, I knew it was a scam. Like, I had a feeling something wasn't right. Because they kept saying, got me. Like, got me? What do you mean? And then, like, they did not want to FaceTime, answer call or nothing. I'm like, bro. Like, what is up? Right. Dude, you always discriminating. I'm like, right, like, what the heck? I'm like, this is weird. So, we're like, send me pictures of the card, scratch it off, and just to confirm that you got the card, or send a picture of the receipt. So, us being us, the card costs extra, so he only put $45 on there. So I was like, don't send a receipt, just take a picture of the card. And he was like, cover 2 digits, and then I'll come to you. So I'm like, no. Like, I'm gonna cover like 5 of them mugs, and then you come to me. I was like, you can do it in person. Like you want the card so bad, you can do it in person. And I was like, no, I need to do it because I don't want to drive all the way out there for nothing. I'm like, bro, alright.
Which was his excuse.
Right. So, I took a picture of the card, covered the first 2. So then, they tried to come up with some excuse like, gotta have $50 more, their phone belongs to somebody else. So I'm like, bro, at this point, I'm like, skipped it. Nope, not no more. So while I go to Amazon, try to use this card, try to order me some hair. Like some cheap synthetic wig type hair. Not like the good stuff, because I order my good stuff from somewhere else.
You even try this?
I just had one.
Oh.
But like a cheap wig just to like wear around like every once in a while. And a ring light. Why didn't you tell me somebody already used my card? When I say I was so mad, I was so mad. And this is like recent.
Yesterday.
Bro, shut up. You're not right. Since he would have put it out there, yes, it was yesterday.
We just gotta be honest with you. We gotta be honest.
No, shut up, man.
All we can be is honest. Don't use OfferUp.
Or Let Go. Or none of them other selling sites. And if you do use them, be careful. Only use it in the daytime.
So any parents, if you guys kids are using those apps to sell like their games and stuff, I would not recommend it.
Facts.
Just for the safety of our children, so they won't have to get scammed by scam artists.
Alright, I lost $45. Well, $50 because of somebody else.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Oh, hair. And the cheese. Well, this cheese is heat. I made this.
Oh, I made it.
Why you gonna lie after you saying you being truthful? Shoot, mine is not Sprite.
Girl,
But,
mine's doing that halfway.
boy, I'm gonna tell you.
Shit big as shit.
That Sprite heat. Where's the cheese on this chicken? I ain't never had cheese with chicken. This is so good.
I recommend this. I do recommend it, but not if you're not a chip lover. You won't like it. What you think?
They're okay. Like, I was expecting more, like...
What's spice to it?
Yeah. But, like, I don't want to dip it in the hot sauce.
I mean, it doesn't really...
Then it'd be too hot.
Not really. It just tastes the same as that, to me. I feel like to make...
Yeah, because you eat regular chicken with hot sauce. I don't.
I feel like to make this spice, you gotta add, like, your own spice to it.
A lot of cayenne pepper. My nose low-key starting to water. I could swallow that. I'm a good chef, that's why. How you just gonna hate like that?
That's a lie.
Oh my god. That spray almost gave me a heart attack. Are you even eating this chicken?
Yeah. You see these? That's how I feel like. You're not even eating these chickens.
I
You know.
Well, I eat mine to the bone.
To the bone. We do thank the people that do watch our videos, take their time out their day to watch our videos, to support us.
Yeah. Thanks.
Just a like and a subscribe can change anybody's life. Trust me.
And a share. Even a screenshot. Our next video, we might introduce Malachi. I know y'all seen him, but he wasn't fully introduced.
Yeah. I don't want to just put him out there like that. And for the people that don't like us, just don't click on this. Just
no, still click. What is this? I can't even see it.
That's why she can never eat in white teas or anything.
Boy, shut up.
It never fails.
Whatever. Really? We should tell another story time.
The time I got a concussion. Okay.
I ain't never heard
It was
this story.
like 2 or 3 years ago. On wrestling
Boy,
field.
ain't no 2 or 3 years ago.
3 or 4 years ago. On wrestling field.
Which was in 8th grade?
I think I was a freshman.
How you get a concussion as a freshman? We was together. You never had a
Yeah,
concussion.
but I played on wrestling field. I remember me playing on wrestling field.
Well,
It was a game.
you didn't play football in 9th grade. Because I was a cheerleader.
It had to be 10th grade. It was whatever grade it was. Before I got interrupted, it doesn't matter what grade I was in. I still got a concussion.
But you're telling the story all wrong. You have to say the correct year.
It don't matter.
Yes,
It's
does.
around them years.
No, you was in like
I'm
7th
talking
grade.
to them, I'm not talking
You
to
talking
you.
about when you was short, fat, and bald headed.
No, I'm not even talking about that time. Well, I got a concussion like 3 or 4 years ago. And I was playing for Ruskin. Like, Ruskin. Out of all the schools, but not too much. But, like, I guess, like, I thought I had, like, the hit. And it was, like, the goal line. He was already about to score. Me doing
But when did you ever play for Ruskin? You talking about when you played for Ruskin for, like, 1
like
month?
I was saying. Like I was saying. It was the first game, and we played Belton. Because I still had, like, the pads and the jersey in my room.
Oh, I remember now.
And like he already scored and I was doing extra. Like I was still trying to hit him, make a play, make a
That's when
fumble
we
or
was
something.
working at Wendy's.
And then
So it was like the beginning of 11th grade.
yeah. But I didn't play the whole season.
Yeah, because I wanted to come see your games, but you didn't play. Like your last game was the game.
But I could have came back honestly after the doctor told me I had a concussion because nothing was really wrong with me. I was just embarrassed because I got fucked up. I could have came back though, but I just kept working.
Right, you couldn't work.
But it felt like when it did happen, like it felt like my neck was like not on my body.
Poor baby.
Then they had to call the ambulance. The coach was on me. Then my dad was there. Took me to the hospital.
Why you didn't tell me this?
That was my first time in an ambulance.
Why you didn't tell me this?
We don't talk about sports.
But I always ask you how was your day. And you never tell me anything.
Because I don't think about a time that I got hurt. If you ask me about my day, I ask about what I did today.
That should be the main thing you tell me. If you got hurt, I would have been there.
Girl, this happened when?
And we was together.
3 or 4 years ago.
It happened last year.
Tell me why you ain't tell me about this. You knew about this.
No, I didn't. Bro, he don't tell me nothing. I swear to God. He tell me stuff like a year later, and I be like, when was this? Bro, you're not right. Don't talk to me. The whole video.
Okay, Makai.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? Is it good? gotta have it.
No, shut up.
Some of you might remember that moment. I know a couple of y'all do. I played for the team.
Don't ever tell me nothing. Almost died. I said kitchen with ketchup. I said kitchen with ketchup. No, I said kitchen with ketchup. I'm retarded. I got food all over me.
Well, guys, looks like that's the end of the video.
What, because you're fat and full?
Thank you for
Look,
watching.
he's saying that it's the end of the video. But when the video's over, he's going to demolish all of this. Literally. That's what he did when we had the pizza. He was like, I'm full. I can't eat no more. When we got to the, when I cut the video off, he downed the whole other half of the pizza. I was like, dang, I thought you was full.
Oh, snitching. Dang. And for the people that don't have food at home, I do not mean to eat in your face because I know how it feels to not have food at home. So, I'm with you guys. So that's why I don't like to eat the whole thing in the video. I'll wait after.
Well, MK gang, thanks for watching our video. And like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share,
Thumbs up.
screenshot, send it to your friends, do whatever.